Hi guys, welcome to Call It a Day. Today is Saturday, August 8th, 2020, and we are celebrating National Frozen Custard Day. Did you see? I almost just said custard, but it's Frozen Custard Day. So we're actually in our car and we're headed to Luv-It, which is a famous custard place here in town, which is Las Vegas, Nevada. It's down past the strip, so we're gonna actually take you guys on a ride down the strip. So get ready.
Let's go.
So just wanted to give you guys a little history on Luv-It. They actually opened in 1973 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the only change that has happened since then is it's a new generation running it. And they did say that the paint color has changed, so that's about it. Crazy thing though, Jeremy and I both have lived here our entire lives. He has been there quite a few times. I've never been there. So this is a first for our son and for me. So stick around while we take you down the strip while we get to Luv-It. And yeah, we'll get back on once we're there.
What's up, y'all? We're here at Luv-It. It's not the best side of town, but it's an old side of town. Again, this place has been here since like 1973. OG custard shop. I remember the difference between ice cream and frozen custard is the content of egg yolk in it. A lot of people don't know what the difference is, so I guess now you do.
Yeah, that's it. Check it out.
For Frozen Custard Day.
Hi guys, so I got the Scotch Jimmie treat, which is frozen custard covered with hot butterscotch, sliced bananas, I can't read the next one, of chocolate, mound of chocolate jimmies, and a marshmallow or maraschino cherry.
Maraschino.
Okay, so
I got the Western, which is
the Western is fresh custard covered with hot caramel, hot fudge, topped with salted pecans, and a
maraschino
cherry. And just so you know, the Western is like their top seller. So Jeremy's eating their number one.
I get the most popular. I'm gonna take a couple bites and let you know how it is. It's like heaven. I love it.
I'm sure.
the melted chocolate on top. I mean, it tastes like a sundae, but yeah, I can, you know, tastes very, I guess, fatty because the egg content more than ice cream.
Okay guys, look at those chocolate jimmies and the bananas that they lined up and the cherry that I can never pronounce.
Maraschino. How is it?
All I taste right now is banana. I think it's because I didn't get enough.
Custard?
It's a little messy because it's a little melted, so. It's very hot in Vegas today. It's like 115, so.
115, it's hot.
Oh my God.
Is that good or what? So if you want to celebrate Frozen Custard Day and you live in Vegas, this is the place.
I want the cherry.
Oh, he wants the cherry. Okay, should I give it to him? I'm going to give it to him. Hey guys, so that's it. Shout out to Luv-It Custard. They're off of 505 East Oakey, Las Vegas, Nevada, right off of Las Vegas Boulevard in Oakey. Please like and subscribe our channel so that you can see us every single week. Tune in on Tuesday, August 11th, and you'll be seeing Global Kinetic Sand Day. Get ready for that one. It's a really good one. So, see you guys later. Bye.